This is my PSP Slim, the 2000 series, that I'm going to tear down and replace the housing, because when I bought it, it was not in the best condition, but it worked. Replace it with this housing that I ordered on Amazon. And it came with these buttons here, but it's not quite the look I want to go for. So I ordered these buttons on Newegg, and hopefully everything will go together nicely, and I'll let you see the end results. Got the PSP all torn apart, scattered all over the table, and I'm starting to reassemble into the new housing. So far everything's gone pretty well. I accidentally broke a clip taking the door off of the old PSP because I got a little carried away and should have followed the instructions a little bit better. Did not realize that there was a plastic clip on the inside to hold the spring in, so the door broke where the spring connected. But just take your time if you do this. And I'm done. Everything seems to work out just fine. I'm actually very impressed with the quality. All the buttons seem to be working just fine, and nothing feels loose or cheap. Actually, seems like a very well put together case. There's no gaps. A lot better than this one. Cracked and scratched. The clear buttons I ordered from Newegg did not come with a clear joystick, so I used the gray that came with the case, since I did not use the actual buttons that came with the case.